I got this box before I went on retreat. I haven't had a chance to open it, but today is the day where we change all that. Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca. In today's video, we're going to dive into the 2021 limited edition Liberty Box from Fat Quarter Shop. Spoiler alert! I know as of the recording of this video, Fat Quarter Shop has already released their video telling you everything that's inside. This has been sitting in my home for about 2 weeks. But I have not watched the video, nor have I watched anybody else's video, nor have I read any blog posts. So I don't know what's inside. You're going to get my reaction to all of this right now. Let's go. All right, so here's the outside of the box. Blue with white stars, really super cute, nicely themed. This is the inside of the box, and there is a pop of red, white, and blue. Let's see what we got. First thing that we have is a little pamphlet that tells us about everything in the box, and there is a coupon code right off of the top for 20% off of any layer cakes or 10-inch stackers. That's good through August 31st. Sweet. I'll be honest, this was throwing me off. It obviously is not a full layer cake, and it's definitely not even a half of a layer cake. So I was looking in the pamphlet for something with the word layer cake or stacker in it, and I couldn't find it, but I did figure it out. And so what we've got this month is actually a quilt kit. We have got all of the fabric that we need for this month's project. Let me show you down here. We've got this package of fabric and this little roll of stackers. And I really don't want to take these out because I'm never going to get them back together, but I will show you a little turn right here. This is for the Stars and Stripes quilt kit. I'll give you a picture of what that looks like in just a minute. And then we have some white fabric with red stars on it, and then some of this really pretty blue fabric. This I can take out of the plastic because it's still tied together. Get you a better picture of that fabric. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. It's blue with little rosebuds on it. We've got some white in here, and then we've got some white with the red stars on it. And this seems to be the bigger cut. This quilt kit or fabric bundle retails for $24.98. And fortunately, I don't have to tear apart all of that fabric to show you what it looks like because the pattern was designed specifically for these fabric SKUs. So let me show you this pattern next. This is called the Stars and Stripes quilt pattern, and it is exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop. It's written by them. Let's take a look at the pattern down here. This is what you've got. This is what the quilt is going to look like. That's really pretty. And this is what you need on the back. You need 12 10-inch pieces of fabric, which is what we got in this. And then you're going to need 3/4 of a yard of a background, which is in our finishing kit here. You're going to need a fat quarter of the white with the red stars and a half yard of the blue for your binding. So this is your accent fabric, background, and your binding. And all three of those fabrics are in this kit. So all together, we've got everything we need to make this quilt. Very cool. I am really excited about that. I will tell you, for the Sew Sampler box, this is just my personal opinion. I love the Sew Sampler box, but I wish they did more things like this. Instead of giving me all the time some fabric and a pattern to make a big quilt, I'd rather have it be like a quilt sample where I make a mini wall quilt and I have everything I need to do that. That'd be really cool. Okay, and then we have a couple of extra little goodies inside the box. We have a package of Liberty woven label set. There's a couple of different labels in here that are kind of cool. This retails for $4.98. I don't know that I necessarily will use these. Maybe I will, who knows. I really like the Sweetwater labels, and I tend to put those on my quilts, but these are sew-in, they're woven, and they do add just a little bit of flair. One side says made in the USA, the other side has a quilt block, and they all look like that. They're really, oh, but the quilt blocks on the back can be a little different. So we've got some like this. We've got some like this. And then we've got some like this. Yeah. So we've got like 4 different designs. All of these cute little labels. Maybe I will keep them. I can always use them with a Sweetwater label, right? All right, the next item that we have is not just 1 spool of thread, but 4. We have a thread set. Okay, super cool idea. This is a $24.98 value, and this is what we've got down here. You open it up, and on the inside you have a little box that you can pop open. I'm going to keep this thread for myself, so I don't mind opening it. You know, take one for the team, right? And inside, you have got a red thread poking over here, a gray, a dark blue, a light blue, and a white. And they're all small spools, which is just enough, just what you need for working on one of these projects. Let me show you what the color numbers are, just in case you want to pick these up for yourself. The white is color number 2024. The red is color number 2265. The light blue is color number 2720. This gray looking one is color number 2606. And the dark blue is color number 2780. Really neat. I love this. The next item that we have is exclusive to the Liberty Box. It is a little chalky painted wood tray. It is super cute. Take a look at it down here. This is what it looks like. This is really cute just to kind of have out during the 4th of July time. You can use it to hold notions, or you could just like set it up as a little frame, as a little decorative piece. I love this. This retails at $12.98, and I have said it before on this channel. I will say it again. I feel like red, white, and blue never goes out of season because there are always patriotic holidays to be celebrated. So I feel like I could leave this set out all year round. Okay, that's everything in the box this month. What did I think? I'm stoked. I don't love the fabric, but I love the pattern that they made with the fabric, and all of the extras kind of blew me away. I'm really happy that I signed up for this box. I'm happy that I have it, and I'm looking forward to at some point in the future doing that quilt kit. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the Liberty Box for 2021. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and come on back Friday nights at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, where we sew and talk right here live on YouTube. I'll see you guys all Friday night. Bye.